Lion. Author R.B. Shorts Channel. Where do lions live? What is EA Pride of Lions? What is the purpose of a lion's mane? What do lions eat? Summary. Read a brief summary of this topic.
Lion, Panthera leo, large, powerfully built cat, family Felidae, that is second in size only to the tiger. It is a famous apex predator, meaning without a natural predator or enemy. The proverbial king of beasts, the lion has been one of the best-known wild animals since earliest times. Lions are most active at night and live in a variety of habitats but prefer grassland, savanna, dense scrub, and open woodland. Historically, they ranged across much of Europe, Asia, and Africa, but now they are found mainly in parts of Africa south of the Sahara. An isolated population of about 650 Asiatic lions constitute a slightly smaller race that lives under strict protection in India's Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary.
General characteristics. Male lion.
Male lion, Panthera leo, in the Masai Mara National Reserve, Kenya.
Lion. Lioness, Panthera leo.
The lion is a well-muscled cat with a long body, large head, and short legs. Size and appearance vary considerably between the sexes. The male's outstanding characteristic is his mane, which varies between different individuals and populations. It may be entirely lacking, it may fringe the face, or it may be full and shaggy, covering the back of the head, neck, and shoulders and continuing onto the throat and chest to join a fringe along the belly. In some lions the mane and fringe are very dark, almost black, giving the cat a majestic appearance. Manes make males look larger and may serve to intimidate rivals or impress prospective mates. A full-grown male is about 1.8 to 2.1 meters, 6 to 7 feet, long, excluding the 1 meter tail. He stands about 1.2 meters high at the shoulder and weighs 170 to 230 kg, 370 to 500 pounds. The female, or lioness, is smaller, with a body length of 1.5 meters, a shoulder height of 0.9 to 1.1 meters, and a weight of 120 to 180 kg. The lion's coat is short and varies in color from buff yellow, orange-brown, or silvery gray to dark brown, with a tuft on the tail tip that is usually darker than the rest of the coat.
Prides. Pride of lions. Pride of lions, Panthera leo.
Lions are unique among cats in that they live in a group, or pride. The members of a pride typically spend the day in several scattered groups that may unite to hunt or share a meal. A pride consists of several generations of lionesses, some of which are related, a smaller number of breeding males, and their cubs. The group may consist of as few as 4 or as many as 37 members, but about 15 is the average size. Each pride has a well-defined territory consisting of a core area that is strictly defended against intruding lions and a fringe area where some overlap is tolerated. Where prey is abundant, a territory area may be as small as 20 square kilometer, 8 square miles, but if game is sparse, it may cover up to 400 square kilometer. Some prides have been known to use the same territory for decades, passing the area on between females. Lions proclaim their territory by roaring and by scent marking. Their distinctive roar is generally delivered in the evening before a night's hunting and again before getting up at dawn. Males also proclaim their presence by urinating on bushes, trees, or simply on the ground, leaving a pungent scent behind. Defecation and rubbing against bushes leave different scent markings. There are a number of competing evolutionary explanations for why lions form groups. Large body size and high density of their main prey probably make group life more efficient for females in terms of energy expenditure. Groups of females, for example, hunt more effectively and are better able to defend cubs against infanticidal males and their hunting territory against other females. The relative importance of these factors is debated, and it is not clear which was responsible for the establishment of group life and which are secondary benefits.
Hunting. Warthog. Lions chasing a warthog. Lions chasing a warthog.
Though a group of
Lions chasing a warthog.
Though a group of hunting lions is potentially nature's most formidable predatory force on land, a high proportion of their hunts fail. The cats pay no attention to the wind's direction, which can carry their scent to their prey, and they tire after running short distances. Typically, they stalk prey from nearby cover and then burst forth to run it down in a short, rapid rush. After leaping on the prey, the lion lunges at its neck and bites until the animal has been strangled. Other members of the pride quickly crowd around to feed on the kill, usually fighting for access. Hunts are sometimes conducted in groups, with members of a pride encircling a herd or approaching it from opposite directions, then closing in for a kill in the resulting panic. The cats typically gorge themselves and then rest for several days in its vicinity. An adult male can consume more than 34 kilograms, 75 pounds, of meat at a single meal and rest for a week before resuming the hunt. If prey is abundant, both sexes typically spend 21 to 22 hours a day resting, sleeping, or sitting and hunt for only 2 or 3 hours a day. Lions inhabit a wide range of habitats, from open plains to thick brush and dry thorn forest. Except for a small population of the Indian lion subspecies that remains in the Gir forest of northwest India, lions now live only in Africa, from the Sahara's southern fringe to northern South Africa. One study analyzed the DNA sequences of museum specimens of these extinct lions and found that the Barbary lion was probably a distinct population characterized by a unique group of mitochondrial genes, haplotype, while the Cape lion is likely a part of the extinct southern African lion population as it possessed one.